everyone and a very warm welcome. Today I'm just about to record for you a very short summary recap of our Improvers Solo Quickstep. This is routine number 9 and this was taught in the online class on the 23rd of January 23. So if you're looking for the full breakdown, the entire class, head over to the video library on the website and you are looking for the 23rd of January 23. Okay, so quite a lot in this routine. We started on the left-hand side of our space and I started with a progressive chassis into a spin turn on ladies' footwork. Back, side close, forwards, spin, exit. I'm then going into a forwards lock step with a small pivot and a tap and exit. So a little bit like the turn-in lock. Okay, let's do that again. Slow, quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, 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 slow. I then crossed my left foot over and went down slow, and then I held for another slow. Okay? Now, small footwork section, forward picker hops, quick, 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 and then the little flip jacks, quick, 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 quick. I then used a slow on my right foot to go across the room, side on my left whilst brushing in the right, that's the next slow, and then I'm going to head straight into a telemark, ladies footwork, which is the heel turn, slow, quick, quick, and then the guys telemark, which as we know is like the ladies spin turn footwork but on the left foot. Slow, slow, slow. I then headed out with a lock step, slow, quick, quick, slow, and right foot slow just to settle and not run into the wall. Let's look at the whole thing. First of all, I'm going to call the names of where I'm placing the feet, and then the second time I'll call out the quicks and slows. So, progressive chassis, back, side, close. Forwards into the spin turn, right, left, brush, open. Balls of the feet for the lock step, step, cross, step. Slight pivot, weight on the left foot, tap, open, cross down, and pause. 4 little hops, 1, 2, 3, 4. Flick jacks, flick, together, open, close. Flick, together, open, close. Right foot comes across, heel, side and brush, back, heel turn, exit. Forwards, open, brush, open, step, step, cross, step, settle. Now the quicks and the slows. Slow, quick, quick, slow, slow, slow. Quick, 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 slow, slow, slow. Quick, 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 quick. Slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, 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 quick, quick, slow, and slow. There we go, guys. Like I said, it's just a short summary. If it was a little bit too quick for you, don't worry. It's all fully broken down in the full lesson in the video library, 23rd of January 23. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you again in another video soon.